In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSeek AI. By the end, you'll feel comfortable asking questions, getting helpful answers, and keeping your conversations organized so you can focus on what matters. First, open DeepSeek AI. You can do this in your web browser or through the official app if you have it installed. Once it's open, you'll see the interface designed for chatting with the AI. From there, go to the main chat page. This is the central place where all conversations happen. If you're not automatically taken there, look for a button or tab labeled Chat or something similar. That's where you'll spend most of your time. Next, click the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is your workspace. When you click into it, you're ready to type. Type your question or prompt. Be specific and clear about what you need. If you want a summary, say how detailed it should be. If you're looking for ideas, mention your audience or constraints. Adding context, like your goal or format, helps the AI tailor its response. Also, avoid entering personal or sensitive information. Only include what's necessary to get a useful answer. When your prompt looks good, press Enter or click Send. DeepSeek will begin generating a response. If you notice a small indicator or animation, that usually means the AI is working on your answer. Wait for the AI response. This usually takes a few moments. Once it arrives, read it through and decide what's helpful and what might need refinement. If something isn't quite right, that's normal. AI works best as a collaborator. Ask follow-up questions if needed. You can ask for clarification, request more examples, change the tone, or narrow the scope. For instance, you might say, make it shorter, use plain language, or tailor this for beginners. Follow-ups help you steer the conversation toward exactly what you want. If you get a particularly useful answer, copy or save it. Use the copy button if you see one, or simply highlight and copy the text. Consider pasting it into your notes, a document, or a project folder so you can refer back to it later. When you're switching topics, start a new chat for a different topic. Separate threads keep your context clean and prevent the AI from mixing instructions or details across unrelated tasks. That's it. Open DeepSeek AI, ask clearly, refine with follow-ups, save what you need, and keep topics organized. Give it a try and see how much faster you can get things done.